What's an advent calendar? An advent calendar helps count down the days until Christmas. I'm gonna show you how to make one, just like this. Okay, now I'm ready to make the advent calendar. This is the stuff I need to use. 1 large piece of card plastic, green and gold sticker paper, printed numbers from 1 to 25, 25 green paper cups, green wire, green tinsel, Christmas stickers, glue gun, and 25 pieces of candy. Okay, now let's start making it. Use the paper cup to make 20 green circle papers and cut them out. Use the green paper cups to make 4 gold circles. Okay, now we're going to put the candies inside the cups. Let's start. Put the candies in the cups. Cover the cups with the green and gold circles. All the cups are done. So now we're ready to make the tree! Yay! Okay, now we're going to use a glue gun and to stick all the things on the green board. This is very hot and dangerous, so I'm going to ask my mom to help me. Now we can lift it up like this and it will not fall. Now we're going to add some numbers. Each number is a day in December. And also we're going to decorate it with these lovely stickers. Now add some Christmas stickers. Glue green tinsel around the tree. Now we're going to add a star. First I have to make a hole. I'm gonna ask my mom to cut out the whole tree. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you cut it. It actually looks like a Christmas decoration instead. Make a hole at the back of a Christmas tree. And then we're gonna hang this. Okay, so I decided to hang it on this wall. So today is the first day of December. So I don't know what kind of candy I'm gonna get. I'm gonna see.